Hi, my name is Tom Saluzzi, and I play drums in the band Misfire. If you like original rock music in that classic 70s style, check us out. I really think you'll like us. I'm here today to talk to all of you drummers out there about two products that have made my life much, much easier, and I think they'll do the same for you. For years, I was searching for an alternative to cymbal sleeves. I was looking for something stable, quiet, and durable. Then one day I discovered the ground ball. The ground ball does all those things. Just install a ground ball and then mount it on your cymbal stand, and that's it. Ground balls are designed to replace the typical rubber or plastic cymbal sleeves. The great thing about ground balls is that they become a permanent part of your cymbal. Once you install them, they stay put. So there are no loose parts to rattle or make noise, or to fall and get lost. They won't get lost because they're attached to your cymbal, and they won't make noise because they're made of rubber. In fact, you don't even need to use a wing nut with the ground ball if you don't want to. They will function just fine without one if you prefer. They are flexible so that they allow your cymbal to breathe and resonate naturally the way the cymbal maker intended, and the ground ball offers the best protection against keyholing and other damage than any other product I've ever used. And as far as durability goes, I've been using ground balls now for about a year, and I can tell you after a lot of heavy hitting, these things look as good and work as well as the first day I got them. The ground ball solved all of my problems. I don't think you'll ever go back to using cymbal sleeves again. The ground ball works very well on its own, but works even better when used in conjunction with the cymbal boss. The cymbal boss eliminates the need for both metal and felt washers. Its one-piece plastic and rubber design is also very quiet, flexible, and allows your cymbals to breathe and resonate. The cymbal boss is also very durable, and just like the ground ball, after many hours of hard-hitting use, they look and perform and sound as great as the day I first got them. So there you have it. Two great products that work great together. If you'd like to find out more, please visit the websites. Thank you very much for watching. This is Tom Saluzzi wishing all of you drummers out there the best of luck with your new ground balls and cymbal bosses.